Hi everyone, welcome to Nat's Kitchen. I hope we're all doing well. Today we're gonna make a seafood meal which is very good for diabetics and pre-diabetics. So let's just get into it without wasting much time. Okay, so for our ingredients we have here 2 cups of crab meat. You can use imitation crab meat, that is fine. I have here 1 cup of shrimp. I have here 1 cup of cod fish. I have here 1 medium-sized yellow onions, guys, not sweet, yellow onions. I have here 2 jalapeno peppers cut up. You can use more or less, your preference. I have here 1/2 cup of cucumber. I have here about a handful of cilantro. I have here 1 Maggi Crevette. You can use salt, your preference. I have here chili garlic sauce, the Asian style garlic sauce. I have here 1 cup of lemon juice. I have here about 1/2 a medium size of green pepper, and I have here 1 plum tomatoes. So let's just get into it. Okay, so guys, we're gonna mix up everything before we get cooking. I start off by pouring the lemon juice into the bowl. Next, I come in with the chili garlic sauce. I add my tomatoes, my green pepper, and a little bit of the jalapeno pepper. And then I top it off with the Maggi Crevette. It's kind of hard, so I can just break it up and put it in and mix it up. You can do this and let it sit for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes before you pour it in your pan and steam it up a little bit. So yeah, here we have it. I have my wok here on my stove. I'm gonna go ahead right now and turn my fire on to medium high and let it heat up a little bit. So my pan's well heated enough. I'm gonna go ahead now and pour in the marinade. Cook it up a little bit for about 10 minutes and that'll be it. After 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. We're gonna go ahead now and turn it off. And that's it. Okay, so we have here our seafood meal is ready. I'm gonna go ahead right now and garnish it. So I start off with my jalapenos. Like I said, if you want it hot, you do more. I come in next with my cucumber. My onions, and then my cilantro. Okay friends, so here we have it. This is the best seafood meal you would want to try if you're diabetic or a pre-diabetic. You can actually serve this with some brown rice, quinoa, bulgur wheat, whatever you decide to go along with, as long as it's whole grain. If you're not diabetic, you can eat this with a bowl of rice and It works out perfectly. Let me know how this turns out if you end up trying it, and let me know if your blood sugar ended up dropping early in the morning or a few hours later after you tried it. I so want to know. Thank you so much for liking my videos, subscribing, and for always commenting and supporting this channel. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you like it, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you again in my next video. Bye.